Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to get rid of pimples at home. Pimples, also known as acne, are a common skin condition that can be unsightly and uncomfortable. But don't worry, there are some simple steps you can take to get rid of pimples and improve the overall health of your skin. Before we get started, it's important to understand what causes pimples. Pimples are caused when the pores of the skin become clogged with oil and dead skin cells. This can lead to inflammation and the formation of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Pimples are most commonly found on the face, but can also appear on the chest, back, and shoulders. Now, let's get started with some easy and effective ways to get rid of pimples at home. Number 1. Cleanse your skin regularly. Proper cleansing is essential for keeping your skin clean and free of pimples. Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser twice a day to remove excess oil, dirt, and makeup. Avoid using harsh, stripping cleansers as they can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Number 2. Exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your skin can help to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, preventing the formation of pimples. Use a gentle exfoliator a few times a week, or try using a facial scrub or a simple homemade exfoliator made with baking soda and water. Number 3. Use a spot treatment. If you have a particularly stubborn pimple, a spot treatment can help to reduce redness and inflammation. Look for a treatment that contains salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, which are both effective at killing bacteria and drying out pimples. Number 4. Apply a toner. Toner can help to balance the pH of your skin, making it less hospitable to bacteria that can cause pimples. It can also help to tighten pores and remove excess oil. Number 5. Moisturize your skin. It may seem counterintuitive to moisturize if you have oily skin, but it's important to keep your skin hydrated to prevent overproduction of oil. Look for an oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Number 6. Use a face mask. Face masks can help to soothe and nourish the skin, making them a great addition to your pimple-fighting routine. Look for a mask that contains ingredients like clay or charcoal, which can help to absorb excess oil and unclog pores. Number 7. Drink plenty of water. Keeping your body hydrated can help to improve the health of your skin and prevent the formation of pimples. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Number 8. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. A healthy diet can do wonders for your skin, so be sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins in your meals. Avoid sugary, processed foods and drinks as they can contribute to the formation of pimples. Number 9. Reduce stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, so it's important to find ways to manage stress and reduce its impact on your skin. Try practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga, or find ways to reduce stress in your daily life. Number 10. Get plenty of sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for healthy skin, so be sure to get plenty of rest to keep your skin looking and feeling its best. By following these simple steps, you can get rid of pimples and improve the overall health of your skin. Remember to be patient and consistent, as it can take time for your skin to improve. It's also important to consult with a dermatologist if your pimples persist or are severe. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to get rid of pimples at home. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're able to get the clear, healthy skin you desire. We'll be back with more content soon, so be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.